Hi everyone, welcome to this week's assembly where we're going to celebrate some of the learning in your classrooms. For those of you who aren't sure or are new to Kent College, my name is Mrs Lavelle and I am the Deputy Head, just like Mr Parkin. My job is to look at all of your learning, to celebrate with you when you do something fantastic and sometimes to help you and your teachers when you need to learn even better. Before we start today's assembly, where we're going to celebrate some of your learning, I would like to celebrate something else. I would like to celebrate being back at school. We started back at school on Thursday, the 3rd of September, 26 weeks after school closed on March the 5th. It has been so lovely to have you all back into the building. It has brought life to our school and it's been lovely to hear your conversations in the corridors when you're walking socially distanced apart and also in your classrooms where you're talking about your learning. It's so good to be back and I know some of you have said the same thing to me. Okay, so are we ready to celebrate some of the learning that's been happening across school over the last few weeks?
Wait, hang on a minute. This isn't someone's work. Oh, yes, this is my spinning wheel with lots of teachers' names on it. Shall we give it a spin to find out who we might talk to? I've got a few of these in this assembly, so watch out for them. It could be a teacher or it could be a child. It's Mrs. Berry. Hi, Mrs. Berry.
Hiya.
Mrs. Berry, my question is,
Yes.
what was your favourite subject at school and why?
Oh, now, I loved music at school, obviously, because we used to get the instruments out if we were really lucky, and we used to do lots and lots of singing. But music wasn't something we did every week. So the thing that I enjoyed doing the most, that we did every day, was actually spellings. I used to love my spelling test every week, and if I used to get one wrong, I'd get really cross with myself.
Oh my goodness, I wasn't expecting you to say spelling. That's amazing. Thank you, Mrs. Berry.
You're welcome.
Hi, Giorgio. My question to you is, what is your favourite thing about being back at school?
My favorite thing is seeing my teacher, Miss Wilson, and all my friends.
Sounds great. Why is it even better being back at school?
Because I get to find out new learning, like new words, new ways to add and subtract, and stuff like that.
Great. And how do you find your new corridor?
It's fantastic.
Great. Now, last question. Which is better, learning at home or learning in school?
Learning in school, because you can interact with the teacher more.
Fantastic. Thank you, Giorgio. Bye. Let's celebrate Year 6. We're going to celebrate two people in 6C, Martin and Tyrone, for their superb maths work over the last few weeks. They have been working independently in class and applying their understanding to twist-it tasks. They've also been focused on their presentation of learning in their books, and what a fantastic job you're doing. Congratulations. Congratulations too to Jessica, who is demonstrating excellent presentation in her maths work. You have also been challenging yourself in every lesson to try the deepening questions, and we're really proud of your efforts. Well done. Elizabeth?
Hi.
Elizabeth, tell me, what's the best thing about coming back to school?
Probably seeing my friends again, seeing my new teacher, and being in year 6.
Fabulous, thank you. Congratulations to Pontus for writing a balanced argument using formal language. I enjoyed the rhetorical questions at the beginning, your use of conjunctions like however, and that you gave reasons for each part of your argument. Well done, Pontus. Well done to Andoni in 6B for your super work in maths and your excellent presentation. It has been on display for everyone to see what a good one looks like, and I can see that you're showing your calculations and using reasoning to explain your answers. Keep up the hard work, Andoni. We are also celebrating learning that is done in other lessons. This work is completed by Mikhail in Islamic. Well done, keep up the hard work. Another celebration for a child in Year 6 for Henry in 6B. Miss Heber has said that you are using creative expression for learning Arabic letters and going one step further to ensure that you know them. Well done, Henry, keep up your hard work. Let's give everyone in Year 6 who we're celebrating today a big round of applause. Okay, my question for you is, what did you like and dislike about school when you were younger?
When I was at school, I absolutely loved all the topics that we did. So I loved learning about the rainforest, the Titanic, Scotland's history, and we would do lots of art related to that and learn lots of new fun facts. What I didn't like though was grammar, because often it would just be a textbook and we would just do the next page and the next page and the next page until I was very, very bored. So that's what I liked and didn't like at school.
Thanks, Miss Elliott. Bye. Let's celebrate Year 4. Congratulations to Trevor in 4B. Trevor, you have gone above and beyond with your writing last week. You used ambitious vocabulary within your diary entry, and it's been clear to see that you're focusing on your handwriting. It looks beautiful. Keep up the hard work. Congratulations, Scarlett. Mrs. Hall says you have made a wonderful start to the school year. She says your learning is always presented to a very high standard and you have shown resilience and determination when reasoning and problem solving. She is very, very proud of you and we are too. What fabulous work. Keep it up. Congratulations to Henry in 4E, who wrote a great setting description, choosing some really ambitious vocabulary. One of my favourite phrases in this, Henry, is, he scrambled furiously. I love that language. Well done. Tell me, what is your favourite subject at school?
My favourite subject is maths.
Why is it maths?
Because it really gets you thinking about, like, sometimes people get confused because most of the questions are divide and then one's plus and then you still divide it because your eyes think it's divide but it is actually plus.
So it's a bit of a challenge?
Yeah.
Amazing, thank you. Well done to Anya in 4A for showing focus and determination in your lessons. Miss Delisk says she is always ready for learning and is trying her very best in writing. Well done, Anya. Keep up the hard work. Congratulations to Alexander in 4D, who showed real resilience and determination when writing his name using hieroglyphics in connected learning this week. Well done, Alexander. Keep up with that determination to succeed. Let's give everyone in Year 4 a big round of applause. Hi, Mrs. Hall.
Hi, Mrs. Lavelle. How are you?
Good, thank you. My question to you is, why did you want to become a teacher?
Oh, I think there's a couple of reasons why I wanted to become a teacher. I think the first reason I was really inspired by my primary teachers. I loved my primary years. I had such a wonderful time. And I just remember these teachers from even today. I think it's many, many years ago. So my teachers definitely inspired me. My other reason is I just love to work with children. I love to see how they progress. I love to see at the start of the year what they can do, and then just how much progress they make by the end of the year. And I just feel really, really proud to watch children grow and to see how they develop throughout their primary years.
That's amazing. Thank you, Mrs. Hall.
Thank you, Mrs. Lavelle.
Tell me, what is your favourite thing about being back at school?
It's seeing all my friends again, and it's easier for my class since now my teachers can help me. But it's very different being in the year 5 corridor because it's in a different part of the school.
And you enjoying it?
Yes, definitely.
Very good. And which is your favourite, home learning or or learning in school?
Learning in school.
Yeah, brilliant answer. Thanks, Chloe. Let's celebrate year 5. Congratulations, Amelia, in 5B. You have clearly been practicing different ways of writing sentences with fronted adverbials. This example shows an excellent awareness of your reader through your use of ambitious vocabulary. Well done. What fabulous work. Congratulations to Maisie in 5C, who has made a great start to year 5. Your learning shows excellent presentation, and Miss Harris is putting it on display to show to other children. Well done, Maisie. Keep up the hard work. Hi, Pablo.
Hi.
So, Pablo, my question for you is, what's your favourite subject at school?
It's maths because I think it's because it's a lot of numbers, and I love it because it's just one number and then 2 numbers and then the answer comes out.
Okay, that sounds good. Now, what do you do in maths if you get stuck?
I or look at a number line or I just ask the teacher.
Fabulous. And are you loving being back at school?
Yes.
Which is better, home learning or being in school learning?
Being in school.
Great answer. Thanks, Pablo. Congratulations to Eiley in 5D. She has taken great care over her presentation in all lessons, but especially in maths. And your thoughts and explanations are really clear, and you aim to get to the deep in it questions every day. That is fantastic work. Well done, Eiley. Keep it up. Congratulations to Lila in 5A. Lila's presentation in all learning has been beautiful so far this year. You take great pride in everything that you do. Your writing is full of great detail, and your maths problem solving is getting better and better. Well done. Keep up the hard work. Let's give everyone in year 5 a huge round of applause. Good, thank you. Okay, so what was your favourite subject at school and why?
You would think it would be art, but it actually wasn't, believe it or not. I had a horrible art teacher at school, so that made me hate art. So my favourite subject was English, and specifically I loved Shakespeare. So yeah, that was my favourite.
That's amazing, thank you.
Alrighty.
Well, everybody, that is the end of our assembly for today. Thank you to everybody that I spoke to and everybody that I filmed. thank you to all of you for all your fabulous work. Make sure you are resilient, make sure you are ambitious, you try your very best, you work your hardest, and even if you don't get it right the first time, we get up and we try again. That's what being resilient is, and I have seen lots of resilience from all of you.